The power of self-talk. It's a scientifically backed tool that can reshape how you think, feel, and act. Just stay with me for the next few minutes, and I'll show you why positive self-talk is more than just thinking happy thoughts, and how you can start using it today. Let's start with what self-talk actually is. Self-talk is the inner dialogue that runs through your mind. It's that voice you hear when you're making decisions, facing challenges, or reflecting on experiences. We all have it. But here's the thing. Your self-talk can either be your biggest cheerleader or your harshest critic. Negative self-talk sounds like this. I always mess up. I'm not smart enough. I'll never get it right. On the other hand, positive self-talk sounds like this. I made a mistake, but I'll learn from it. I'm capable of figuring this out. I've done hard things before, and I can do this too. The difference? One path leads to self-doubt and anxiety. The other, confidence, motivation, and resilience. Why does this matter? Because your brain listens. Studies show that positive self-talk can boost performance, reduce stress, and improve overall well-being. It's not magic, it's science. When you use positive self-talk, you're actually rewiring your brain to think more optimistically. This influences your emotions, your actions, and even the outcomes you experience. Here's how it works. When you engage in positive self-talk, your brain releases feel-good chemicals like dopamine and serotonin. These help reduce stress and improve your mood. Over time, this practice creates new neural pathways, making positive thinking more automatic. Think of it like building a mental muscle. The more you practice, the more stronger it gets. Now let's talk about how you can start using positive self-talk in your life. Step 1. Awareness. Pay attention to your inner dialogue. Notice when negative thoughts creep in. Are you criticizing yourself? Doubting your abilities? Step 2. Challenge and reframe. When you catch a negative thought, ask yourself, is this really true? Often, we believe thoughts that aren't based on facts. Replace them with something more constructive. For example, instead of, I'll never get this right, try, I'm still learning, and that's okay. Another powerful tool is writing it down. Journaling your thoughts can help you spot patterns and actively reframe negative ones. You can also create a list of affirmations, positive statements that reflect who you want to be and what you want to achieve. Examples might be, I am capable of achieving my goals. I am worthy of love and respect. I have the strength to overcome challenges. Remember, this isn't about ignoring problems or pretending everything is perfect. Positive self-talk is about acknowledging challenges while focusing on solutions and your ability to overcome them. It's about being kind to yourself. Because, let's face it, we're all human and we all struggle sometimes. The power of positive self-talk lies in its simplicity. It doesn't cost anything. It doesn't require special skills. All it takes is a little practice and a commitment to being your own biggest supporter. Remember, you've got this. Hey, if you found this helpful, take a moment to like this video and subscribe for more content like this. And remember, kindness starts within. We really appreciate you watching and see you in the next video.